Think you need a college degree to earn big? Think again. In today's world, the path to a high-paying, stable career doesn't always run through the halls of a university. The industrial sector, with its dynamic environments and essential roles, is packed with opportunities for people who are ready to learn, work hard, and build real skills, no diploma required. In fact, a striking 60% of industrial workers globally do not hold a college degree. That's right, more than half of the people powering factories, construction sites, and workshops around the world are earning solid incomes based on what they can do, not what's printed on a piece of paper. Today, we'll look at 5 real careers where you can earn more than $50,000 a year. These jobs are in high demand, offer stability and room to grow, and all you need is drive, practical training, and a willingness to learn. If you're ready to trade textbooks for tools and classrooms for control panels, let's dive into these exciting opportunities in the world of industry. First up, CNC machine operator. The modern manufacturing floor hums with the sound of automation, and at the heart of this transformation is the CNC machine operator. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, and operators in this role program, set up, and run the computerized machines that cut, shape, and finish metal, plastic, and other materials with incredible precision. Whether it's car parts, aerospace components, or intricate tools, CNC operators ensure each piece meets exact specifications. What does it take to become a CNC machine operator? Unlike many traditional professions, you won't need to spend years in college. Instead, most employers look for candidates who have completed a technical school program or a short certification course, which can often be finished in less than a year. These programs teach you the basics of machine operation, blueprint reading, and the fundamentals of manufacturing technology. Some companies even offer paid, on-the-job training for motivated beginners. In the United States, the average salary for a CNC machine operator ranges from $45,000 to $65,000 per year. In Germany, a leading country in manufacturing, experienced CNC operators can expect between $35,000 and $55,000 annually, while in Turkey and Mexico, the pay is very competitive relative to local living costs. The true value, however, comes from job security and advancement. As factories become more automated, skilled CNC operators are in higher demand than ever. There are several advantages to choosing this path. For one, you'll be working with sophisticated machinery, sometimes even robots, and learning the latest in manufacturing technology. There's also real room for growth. With experience, you can move up to supervisor, programmer, or even engineer roles, all without a college degree. If you enjoy problem solving, attention to detail, and seeing the tangible results of your work, this could be your ideal career. Next, let's turn up the heat with job number 2, welder. Welding is the art and science of joining metal pieces together, whether it's the frame of a skyscraper, the body of a ship, or delicate machinery in a factory. Welders use intense heat and specialized equipment to fuse metal components, creating structures and products we rely on every day. To become a welder, you don't need a university education. Instead, most welders start with a certificate from a vocational school or community college, which can be completed in a matter of months. Many also learn through apprenticeships, gaining hands-on experience while earning a paycheck. Safety and technique are key, so practical training is essential. Welders are in high demand worldwide. In the US, average salaries range from $40,000 to $70,000 per year, depending on your specialization and location. In countries like Canada, Germany, and Australia, welding skills are highly portable, opening doors to international work. Even in rapidly developing economies, skilled welders command strong wages due to ongoing construction and infrastructure projects. What sets welding apart is its global applicability. If you're willing to travel or work in different industries, construction, shipbuilding, oil and gas, manufacturing, the opportunities are enormous. The work can be physically demanding and sometimes hazardous, but for those who love hands-on tasks and the satisfaction of building something lasting, welding is a rewarding choice. Plus, as technology advances, new techniques like robotic welding are creating even more specialized and lucrative roles for trained welders. Now let's shed some light on job number 3, industrial electrician. Every factory, plant, and industrial facility is powered by complex electrical systems. Industrial electricians are the professionals who install, maintain, and repair these systems, ensuring that machinery runs smoothly and safely. From wiring control panels to troubleshooting automated equipment, industrial electricians are vital to keeping production lines moving. Becoming an industrial electrician typically requires attending a technical school or vocational program, where you'll learn about circuits, safety, and the tools of the trade. After that, most electricians complete an apprenticeship, combining classroom learning with real-world experience under the supervision of a master electrician. In many countries, a journeyman or master certificate is required, but this can often be earned without a university degree. The earning potential for industrial electricians is impressive. In the United States, salaries range from $55,000 to $80,000 per year, with overtime and shift differentials adding significant income. In Germany, electricians can make between $40,000 and $60,000 annually, while in Turkey and Mexico, the pay is excellent compared to average local wages. In all markets, skilled electricians are hard to find, which means job security is high and hourly rates are among the best in the industrial trades. Industrial electricians enjoy several unique benefits. The work is varied and intellectually stimulating, involving both routine maintenance and complex problem solving. As factories become more automated, the need for professionals who understand both traditional and computerized systems is only increasing. If you like working with your hands, have a knack for troubleshooting, and want a career where every day brings a new challenge, this could be the perfect fit. Moving on to job number 4, heavy equipment operator. Few sights are as impressive as a massive crane lifting tons of steel or a bulldozer reshaping the earth. Heavy equipment operators are the skilled professionals at the controls of these powerful machines, driving forklifts, cranes, excavators, loaders, and more on construction sites, in warehouses, and across a variety of industrial settings. To enter this field, you'll need an operator's license or certification, which can be obtained through a short training course, often just a few weeks long. Some employers offer on-the-job training for the right candidates, especially those who show mechanical aptitude and a keen sense of safety. Heavy equipment operators are in constant demand. In the U.S., the average salary ranges from $50,000 to $75,000 per year, with the potential for much more in specialized roles or high-demand regions. In Germany, operators can earn between $35,000 and $55,000 annually, while in Turkey and Mexico, the rates are attractive for skilled professionals. The construction industry is booming worldwide, and industrial facilities need operators to move raw materials, finished goods, and everything in between. The advantages of this career go beyond pay. There's a unique satisfaction in mastering complex, powerful machines and playing a crucial role in building the infrastructure of tomorrow. The skills are transferable across industries, from construction to logistics, mining to manufacturing, ensuring steady work wherever you go. If you enjoy working outdoors, thrive on teamwork, and have quick reflexes, heavy equipment operation could be your ticket to a rewarding career. Finally, let's take a closer look at job number 5, maintenance technician. Every industrial facility relies on a vast array of machines and systems. Maintenance technicians are the people who keep everything running smoothly, diagnosing problems, performing repairs, and ensuring that production never stops. From motorized conveyors to robotics, HVAC systems to hydraulic presses, the variety of equipment you might work on is enormous. To become a maintenance technician, you don't need a college degree. What you do need is a solid grounding in mechanics, electronics, or hydraulics, skills you can learn on the job through apprenticeships or by taking short courses at a technical school. Many employers value practical experience above all, and some even provide paid training for motivated workers. Salaries for maintenance technicians in the United States range from $45,000 to $60,000 per year. In Germany, compensation is similar, with experienced technicians earning $35,000 to $50,000. In Turkey, Mexico, and other countries, this is a respected, well-paid role that offers steady employment in nearly every sector. The benefits of being a maintenance technician are significant. First, your skills are needed everywhere: manufacturing, energy, transportation, food processing, and more. Second, the work is never boring. Each day brings new challenges as you solve mechanical puzzles and keep vital equipment in top shape. If you're curious, resourceful, and enjoy fixing things, this career offers security, respect, and the chance to make a real difference on the job. So, what do all these careers have in common? They're built on skill, not school. Instead of spending years in classrooms and racking up student debt, you can start earning quickly and build a stable, rewarding future. The industrial world values what you can do: your hands-on ability, your problem-solving skills, your willingness to learn and adapt. If you're considering your next move, ask yourself, are you ready to get to work, learn real-world skills, and join an industry that's always evolving? Whether you're fresh out of high school, looking for a career change, or seeking a job you can take anywhere in the world, these industrial paths are wide open. Which of these jobs would you consider? Are you drawn to the precision of CNC machining, the sparks and artistry of welding, the technical challenge of electrical work, the power of heavy equipment, or the hands-on satisfaction of maintenance and repair? Each offers a solid paycheck, room to grow, and the chance to build something real. The world of industry is waiting for people just like you, driven, curious, and ready to learn. You don't need a college degree to build a great life. You need skills, determination, and a willingness to say yes to new opportunities. If you found these insights valuable and you want to discover more real-world career options, subscribe for more. Every week we explore the jobs that drive our economy, the skills that matter most, and the stories of people who've built rewarding lives without following the traditional path. Remember, skill beats school. The future belongs to the makers, the doers, the builders. Where will your hands take you next?